Guys, today we are making simple Oreo cake with some very easy ingredients we have in our homes. This is salted butter, castor sugar, sweet soda, milk, Oreo biscuits, baking powder, gems, nozzles. This is for decorating the cake, and these are some decorating items you can easily get from the cake shops, and some castor sugar. These are the only ingredients we need for Oreo cake. Guys, this is the simple mixer jar. These are 20 cookies of Oreos. I am putting all these cookies into the jar for grinding. The cookies, then we'll add the leftover ingredients. You can see the powdered cookies. I will be adding the baking powder. Now this is the sweet soda, the food soda. My family wants some sweet, more sweet, because Oreos are sweet, but in cake it tastes somehow low in sugar when served with cream. So I will be adding some castor sugar also. Small amount of castor sugar. I will be adding 1 cup of milk. If you want, you can put 1 egg. It will make the cake more fluffy. Guys, now you can see the thickness of the batter. We need this thickness. Only 1 cup of milk is needed. If you put lot of milk, it will make our batter more loose. Basically, patla ho jayega batter. So this is the thickness we needed. Now we'll grease the pan with butter and put this in the vessel and microwave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then our cake will be ready. I will be showing you further. This is the salted butter. We need it for greasing the vessel in which we need to bake the cake. You can take it with brush or with hand and basically grease the vessel. So with greasing, your cake will not stick on the pan and it will easily come out of the vessel. I have put the batter in the vessel. Now with both your hands you need to dap the cake. I'm making the video, so I will be dapping it with my hand. By dapping, the bubbles, the spaces will be filled. If there are some spaces in the cake batter, it will be filled. You will do it with both your hands. Guys, this is convection microwave. So I will be preheating the microwave for 2 minutes. My microwave is preheated. I will be putting the batter for first 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. Then I will be seeing if my cake is ready with the knife. Wait for 6 to 7 minutes. Guys, you can see how beautifully the cake has puffed up and the sides are clear. Because of greasing, the cake will be beautifully taken out from the vessel. Now we'll wait till the cake gets cooler, because I need to decorate it with whipped cream and decorating item of the sprinkles and all. If you want, you can eat it like this. The cake is ready. The Oreo cake is ready. Today is Mother's Day, so I will be decorating it with sprinkles and all. Guys, we'll slowly take out the cake like this. put a tray and put it like this. See how beautifully the cake has came out of the vessel. But you don't have the options for cake. You can take a vessel like this, the patila we have in our kitchens. Put it like this, and this is the normal thal all of us have in our homes. Put it like this. It will help to decorate the cake because इससे ऐसे केक घूमेगा तो हम बेसिकली क्रीम अच्छे से लगा सकते हैं. अब स्लोली पुट द केक ऑन दिस वेसल. The thing I have made it on it. This is how the cake will rotate while we put the whipping cream on the top for decoration. We'll cut the cake from the middle so we can put the cream in between the cake. So I've cutted the cake into 2 parts. I will be putting the first one on the tray, then putting the whipped cream on it, then the second layer, then the whipped cream, and then the basic decoration. This is the whipped cream. I have whipped the cream beforehand. I have a flat spoon like this. You don't have the basic the cake decoration knives or something, you can do it with the kerchies we have in the kitchens. See, this is how the whipped cream will be done. This plate will be rotated. You can rotate it with one hand. I have my phone in my one hand, so I am rotating. I have put another layer on it. Now I will be putting the whipped cream on the top layer also and then decorating it. See, the cake is totally covered with cream. I will be decorating it with the help of nozzles and sprinkles. This is the basic decorating whipping cream bag. With the help of these nozzles, we'll decorate the cake. I have these types of designs. Put the bag in the glass and then I will be putting the cream. If you want, you can add some food color in the whipped cream. I am not putting the food color this time because my parents don't like the food color, so I will be putting it on the cake like white and then decorating it with sprinkles, no color. With the help of the nozzle, you can make flowers. Basic roses. This is how the cake looks without the decoration of the sprinkles and some crumbled cake. I have gems, these little moon and heart shaped sprinkles, the chocolate one. I will be decorating the cake with these. You can decorate it with gems if you don't have sprinkles, perk or any chocolate. You can decorate it like this. I have some crumbled cake left in my bowl, so I will be decorating it also. The total image of the cake has changed with decoration of gems and sprinkles. How beautiful the homemade cake is looking. Because guys, in the COVID times, this is hygienic. We have made it with proper care and sanitization. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.